Hello students. Today we will talk about reports in QuickBooks Online. Think of reports as a health check for a business. Dashboard showing business health metrics. They tell you if the business is doing well. They show where the money comes from. They show where the money goes. This is very important. Without reports, a business owner is just guessing. Regular reports help you see the real story. They give you financial visibility, clear view of the numbers that matter. It helps you make smart decisions for the future. Reports are also needed for rules and laws. This is called compliance. For example, you need financial reports to do your taxes every year. If you want to get a loan from a bank, the bank will ask for your reports. They want to see if your business is healthy enough to pay back the loan. Good reports show that you are organized and serious about your business. They build trust with banks. They build trust with investors. They build trust with partners. Getting to your reports in QuickBooks Online is very simple. First, you need to log into your QBO account. On the left side of your screen, you will see a menu. Look for the word Reports in this menu and click on it. This will take you to the Reports Center. This is your main hub for all financial reporting. It might look like there are a lot of reports, but don't worry. QuickBooks organizes them into categories to make them easier to find. Business overview, sales and customers. Once you are in the Report Center, you can find any report you need. At the top of the page, there is a search bar. You can type the name of the report you are looking for, like profit and loss. QuickBooks will show you the report right away. This is much faster than looking through all the different sections. As you start using QBO more, you will learn the names of the most important reports. Some reports you will use very often. QuickBooks lets you mark these as your favorites. When you find a report you use a lot, like the balance sheet, look for a star icon next to its name. Click on this star. It will turn green. This adds the report to a special favorites section at the very top of the Reports Center. This is a great time saver. The next time you need that report, you don't have to search for it. You can just go to your favorites and click on it. I suggest you start by favoriting 3 main reports: profit and loss, balance sheet, statement of cash flows. You should also favorite the accounts receivable aging and accounts payable aging reports. The first key report is the profit and loss, or P&L. This report shows your company's income and expenses over a period of time. For example, you can see your P&L for a month, for a quarter, or for a whole year. It tells you if you made a profit or a loss during that time. It lists all your sales, your income, and your costs and expenses. The final number at the bottom is your net income. This is maybe the most important number for many business owners. It shows if the business is earning more than it spends. The second key report is the balance sheet. The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of your business's financial position on a single day. It shows what your business owns, assets. It shows what your business owes, liabilities. Shows the owner's investment, XDD versus some person Odin versus on equity. A key rule: assets must always equal liabilities plus equity. This report shows the overall value of your company. Banks often look at the balance sheet to see if a company has enough assets to cover its debts. The third report in our big 3 is the statement of cash flows. This report shows how cash moves in and out of your business. Cash from operations, cash from investing, cash from financing. A business can be profitable on the P&L but still have no cash. This report explains why. It helps you understand if you'll have enough cash to pay your bills, to pay your employees, to pay your taxes. Managing cash is critical for survival, and this report is your guide. One of the best features in QBO is that you can customize your reports. This helps you see the exact information you need. The most common customization is changing the date range. This month, this quarter, last year, or a custom range of dates you choose yourself. This lets you focus on a specific period to analyze performance. You can also change the accounting method between cash and accrual. Cash basis shows transactions when money actually moves. Accrual basis shows them when they are earned or incurred, even if no money has changed hands yet. You can also change how the information is grouped. On a profit and loss report, display columns by month, by quarter, by year. This is great for seeing trends over time. Do your sales go up in the summer? Do your expenses increase in the winter? Grouping your data helps you answer these questions. This turns a simple list of numbers into a story about your business cycle. Filtering is another powerful customization tool. Filters let you narrow down the information in a report. Filter a sales report to show sales from only one customer. Filter an expense report to see costs related to a specific project. Filter by location. Filter by class. Filter by a specific vendor. This helps answer questions like how much we've spent with our top supplier this year. Finally, change the look of your report. Add or remove columns to show more or less detail. Add a percent of income column to your P&L to see each expense as a percent of income. Change header and footer information. Add your company name. Add the report title. Add the date it was prepared. After you customize a report and get it just right, you don't have to do all that work again. QuickBooks lets you save your custom settings. Look for the Save Customization button at the top of the report. Give your new report a name, for example, Monthly Sales by Customer. Save it. It appears in the Custom Reports tab in the Reports Center. Group custom reports together to stay organized. Schedule reports to be sent automatically. Open the Email Schedule option next to your saved report. Email recipients. You, your boss, your business partner. Schedule frequency. Weekly, monthly, any frequency you choose. Choose file type. Excel, PDF. Automation delivers reports on time, every time. Use management reports to share the full picture. Bundle reports, P&L, balance sheet, AR aging. Create a single polished document. Add a cover page with your logo, a table of contents, pages with notes to explain the numbers. Perfect for monthly or quarterly meetings. Compare periods, this month versus last month, this year versus last year, to show performance trends. Export options, PDF, Excel, CSV. Connect to BI tools, Microsoft Power BI, Google Looker Studio. Interactive dashboards for deeper analysis. Checklist, reconcile accounts, verify your AR, verify your AP, review your numbers, and then produce your reports. Now, go check your QuickBooks reports today and see what they tell you. Want more QuickBooks tips? Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Download our free reporting checklist in the description and start producing your periodic financial reports today.